Hi, welcome back to GemPages Get Started series. This is Kayla, and today I'll give you a tutorial on one of the very first steps to page building with GemPages. Introducing Design Panel. So what is the Design Panel? Well, we know that you always want to customize the advanced settings of the element or a section when you're working with that stuff. The Design Panel lets you work on the elements in your designing page. You can use this panel for all elements, including one whole section, and even the smallest elements like text or button. For every element, this panel helps you fully customize the visibility, spacing, background, border, shadow, opacity. So now I'm talking about the function of each section in this panel by giving you a test design. First, the visibility section allows you to choose which device to show the element on by clicking on these dots. Notice that you can customize the look and feel on each element by clicking the drop-down icon on the taskbar or clicking on the device icon beside the name of each item. With the spacing section, you'll take control of the margin and padding. So what is the difference between these items? Margin is the space between the border of one element and the next element. The space outside the border between it and the other elements is the margin. Unlike margin, padding is the space that's inside the element between the element and the border. Both margin and padding go around all four sides of the content that you can easily change it by pressing and moving your mouse up and down or filling the number of pixels in. Next, the background section allows you to set the background for the element. You can set this background with color or image. For color background, choose the color palette and its transparency. For image background, you just need to upload an image or insert link for it. The border section allows you to customize the border style, border color, border width, and border radius. The shadow section allows you to choose shadow effect style and color. The opacity section allows you to edit opacity for this element. Okay, so this is a basic result after we use the advanced design to customize the look and feel of your elements. Imagine that you can customize this advanced design for every element of your page to make your elements or sections of a page become stunning and pixel perfect. Well, with GemPages, you're not only able to build a page yourself without a designer, but you can also optimize your page to reach a pixel-perfect design with these advanced designs. Be sure to explore our series for getting started with GemPages to design your stunning pages, and subscribe to this channel to always get the latest videos. See you till next time.